This is Flat Cap Cafe Racer. I'm gonna, my buddy over in the UK, Rebon, recommended using some blue grease for my bags on my Tiger. I'll put a link to where the bags fell off because they didn't collect in there. And so I'm going to take the bags off today, show you that and how to, what they look like right now. Then I'm going to put some of that blue grease in there that Rebon recommended. Then we're going to put it back on and see how it works. Meerkat. I had started with blowing out with the air hose, air compressor, blowing out any kind of debris from either the bag or the bag mounts. So they're fairly clean. I used a little WD-40 kind of, then blew it out. So I'm just going to use the grease to kind of do it right. What we have here on the bag itself, there are a total of 10 screws you're going to take off. There are 3 right here that look like this. These are the 3 here. There are 2 that look like this, here and here. There are 3 over here just like that, and 2 over here just like that. You have to take these screws off to get to the mechanism. And I'll show you what it looks like inside before I did the cleaning. I'll show you a little picture of that. Then we'll take this off. We'll clean out all the excess grease and grime, and then we'll put the blue grease in there. And now that I got all 10 removed, I'm just going to basically slide this back just a little bit and lift it up, flip it over, so you can see what it looked like before I start doing anything. So we'll clean all this grease and kind of grime out of here, and we'll put some of that blue grease, thanks to Rebon. What the inside looks like once you clean it out. You should be able to see there's some springs in here, right in here. And these little slots here fit into these holes. So what I'm going to do, I'm not going to put a lot of grease on. I'm going to put a little grease around these, just a little bit of grease around these springs to kind of keep the dirt and grit. Hopefully this blue grease is good about repelling water also, so I think this will help it. But I'm not putting a lot of grease on here, not as much as they had to start with anyway. I used some paper towels to remove a lot of this grease, but I also used some WD-40, and then I went out and used the air compressor and air to kind of knock out all this stuff. And I use a little bit of, I'm going to be using a little bit of Q-tips, but you have to be careful because the Q-tips cotton will come off in here also. Applied a little of this blue grease. You can see, put a little bit here on the springs, a little bit on this pivot point that goes into the slot, and also on the slide rail here. Just a little bit, and not a lot less than they had on there. And this, hopefully you can see, just a little bit of grease on the springs, and that's it. So we're just going to put it back in and reinstall it, and basically you just flip it back up here. You line these slots up, and it slides in. Then we can put the screws back in. I found it much easier to put the screws in and take them out using the T-handle. Once I used the 3mm socket there to get it started because it's a little tight, and I'll use that 3mm to final tightening. But if you lay it on a side, you can just do it by feel by using this 3mm like this. Just to be clear, this is where the bag mounts mount into. So I used some WD-40 and blew it out with some compressed air and put a little light coating of grease on here. So let me wipe a little excess off. Okay, the moment of truth. There you go. Big boys are all green, clicked in there. So I'm going to go ahead and lock it on with a key. So that's one other thing I didn't have done last time. I didn't lock it on. There you go. So it's locked now. The bags are not, but the mount is. The bag isn't, but the mount is. So I'd say about 45 minutes per bag to do that. And it works. You can hear it clicking there, and it's solid green, so I'm real happy with that. So don't let your bags fall off. Don't be like me.
Join me and my friends at Flat Cap Cafe Racer for riding and racing. Please subscribe.